A rare 1931 pre-war Märklin locomotive rests before us, carrying nearly a century of history in its metal body. Built long before plastic and mass production, this locomotive represents an era when precision engineering, durability, and craftsmanship defined quality. Every component was designed to last, and despite decades of neglect, its core structure remains intact. Time, however, has taken its toll. The paint is worn and faded, rust covers exposed metal, and hardened grease has locked the wheels in place. The motor no longer turns, and old wiring has deteriorated with age. Yet beneath this corrosion lies a machine waiting to move again. The restoration begins with a careful inspection. Nothing is rushed. Each screw, spring, and gear must be understood before disassembly. Märklin locomotives from this era were engineered with remarkable simplicity, but improper handling can easily damage irreplaceable original parts. Preserving authenticity is just as important as restoring function. Disassembly is done slowly and methodically. Original screws are loosened carefully to avoid damaging the threads. As the body is opened, decades of dust, oil residue, and oxidation are revealed. These layers once protected the metal but now accelerate decay. The motor housing is separated, exposing the armature, brushes, and field coil, components that still show impressive integrity for their age. Rust removal follows a gentle, controlled process. Aggressive grinding would erase history, so only fine tools and rust-neutralizing methods are used. Piece by piece, corrosion is removed, revealing original machining marks beneath. Each cleaned part is dried and stabilized to prevent new rust from forming. The wheels and gear assemblies are restored next. Old grease, hardened over generations, is dissolved and removed. Gears are cleaned carefully to maintain their original shape and alignment. Bearings are polished, not replaced, to preserve original tolerances. Once lightly lubricated, the wheels rotate freely again, signaling the first real revival of the locomotive. Attention then turns to the motor, the heart of the machine. The armature is cleaned, the commutator polished, and the brush is restored.